Good morning and happy Tutorial Tuesday. We're at the tail end of our new website tutorial series. So today we have one more to show you, which we're going to go over our business section of the new site. So let's check it out. Once you are on the main page of clintonsavings.com, in the upper left-hand corner, you will see two options, personal and business. Today we're going to click on business. You will notice this page is set up pretty much the same way as our personal page. You still have our quick links at the top along with our online banking login, followed by the main menu with the same sections as the personal side. However, when you click on them, you'll see all the drop-downs show business-specific information for checking, savings, lending, services, and education. The About section is the same as what's on the personal side, with information about the bank, including how to leave a review, and our community section, which you'll find the link for donation requests, and the great work with due by having 2 full-service branches at our local high schools. Plus, under our news section, you'll find all of our blogs with educational material to help you gain more knowledge with your financial literacy. And below are easy links to find your nearest branch and how to contact us. As you scroll down the home business page, you'll see information and links for some of the more popular business banking services, including business loans, latest news, business online banking, cash management, small business education, and how to get financing. Then, at the bottom of the page, you'll see our Bank at Work program and success stories. These are real reviews from real customers and their experiences with Clinton Savings. Our Business Education Center is a new feature, and we are very excited for our customers to know about it. So let's check it out. This area has all sorts of educational articles specific to business topics, such as choosing a business model, calculating your break-even point, and much more. When you scroll back up to the top of the page, you can select a new menu item, or click on the Business or Personal tab to get back to the corresponding home page. We really hope you found this new website tutorial series super helpful and enjoyable. And as always, if you have any questions, please feel free to ask when you come into any of our 7 branches. We'll see you all next week.